This is the 750-watt FOCUS GX-750 ATX3, manufactured by Seasonic, with a current MSRP of $130 US. It is a fully modular ATX 3.1 power supply, with an additional hybrid fan mode, allowing passive operation for low loads. The power supply comes in reasonable packaging and measures 150 by 86 by 140 millimeters. Considering cable flexibility, it has an effective depth of 165 millimeters. The FOCUS GX-750 is accompanied by the accessories as shown and supported by a 10-year warranty. This warranty period is as expected for a power supply of this class. The fully modular cables are of excellent quality. They have plastic insulation and are really flexible. They should cause no problems while building and cable managing your computer. The provided cable set includes a single 12-volt 2x6 cable, allowing it to power all types of high-wattage GPUs. LTT Labs conducted all of the following testing at an ambient temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. The full test suite, including tests at extended temperature ranges, is available on the lab's website linked in the description. Now, here's a message from our sponsor. Thanks to Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. We've been using their secure high-speed VPN for years, and you can too. Get a special, exclusive deal by going to pia.com/PSU circuit. The FOCUS GX-750 carries an 80+ gold rating, and we have measured 91% efficiency at 50% of its maximum rated load. That is slightly higher than power supplies in a similar class. Throughout the full rated output power range of 750 watts, there was a 0.127 voltage drop on the 12-volt rail inside of ATX specifications and similar to most other power supplies we've tested. The rest of the output rails met ATX specifications. The stability will provide a steady platform for the operation of other components in the computer. The peak-to-peak signal ripple of the fully loaded power supply's 12-volt rail was slightly high at 42 millivolts, while the 5-volt and 3.3-volt rails had signal ripple of 36 millivolts and 41 millivolts respectively. Modern power supplies typically have no issue complying with ATX ripple specifications, and this unit is no different. We test a power supply's resilience to momentary power dropouts and ripples using our brownout test that interrupts the input power for a few milliseconds. This allows us to measure how long of a power dropout the sample can sustain without interrupting the output power. The FOCUS GX-750 was measured to withstand a 13-millisecond dropout at full rated load for both 115-volt and 230-volt inputs. This unit performs similarly to other power supplies. The Excursion test momentarily applies up to 200% of the rated load to test a power supply's ability to support components that may temporarily require more than their rated current. The FOCUS GX-750 withstood all of the excursions but failed to maintain ATX voltage limits in a few cases. This is unlikely to impact reliability for a vast majority of workloads. The FOCUS GX-750 is equipped with the protections as listed, providing the full suite of protections for you and your equipment. We measured the overpower protection to engage at a maximum of 123% of rated load, while the 12-volt rail alone is capable of 71 amps, 115% of its rating. This is lower than similarly rated power supplies, ensuring protection of the components, but may result in the occasional shutdown during extremely high loads. We recommend the FOCUS GX-750 ATX3 because of its plethora of accessories and good load regulation. For full specifications and test results, follow the link to the product page on the LTT Labs website.